The upcoming Southern African Development Community SADC Summit, to be hosted by Harare, provides an opportunity for regional leaders to resolve the impasse over the disputed outcome of the August 2023 presidential elections. The main opposition political party has said, Ashperi Mushe Zimbabwe, tona main opposition TCC, inoyachipina mahopes ayo on the SADC to resolve mnanga was disputed 2023 election victory. Aiwa, salemena mashuko abudashi nyongo panapa, not of subscribe or like, or on the bell icon. Tona mu na umuntu nyongo mchinzi in a statement at the weekend. CCC spokesperson Crimson Kwanan said, a SADC prepares to hold its annual summit this August. The hopes of Zimbabweans have been wrinkled to finding a lasting solution to the contested election results. It is common cause that the August 2023 harmonious election were fraudulently flawed and it did not produce a legitimate and outright winner. This is acknowledged by all election observer missions, including SADC. This means that the government currently in place in Zimbabwe is illegitimate and not properly constituted in terms of the laws of the country. It is a de facto government. This upcoming SADC summit ndo patiri kupinda mahopes edu tokwanisa kuno addressa maissues edu vari kuda kuya kuzoaddressa maissues avo vatiri kuona kuti aiwa munyika macho ndo muri kukandwa mafireworks nemathreats kunzi vakomana musatomboita zvemafanisi tudze mafundo enyu muri kutodii pamusoro aiwa pemahopes ari kuita kugwana naapro msungwana zvina comment section yedu musaona subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.